it sort of started off as sort of a nice, relaxed, sort of karting day, but it sort of eventually sort of turned into one of the most competitive things I think I've ever been involved with. But I think that was what was good about it, and it's something that I'm so happy that all you guys have come to this sort of 20th anniversary. It's something that is been very special. It's been very good. We've done a lot of good stuff for charities. Of course, with Halo this year and last year. It's a good thing that we've got Dana along as well, to come along a bit later as well. So that will get a bit dirty out on the track. Sure.
And there is a team from Sky here, I believe. Is that right? A late entry?
Yes, I sort of got that a little bit late. Yeah, there's about 6 of them. Six of them, and there's sort of a lot of sort of intriguing partners, Tommy there. And a couple of the other boys, and it's just a nice thing for those guys to sort of turn up. They do a lot of hard work behind the scenes, and you know, it's a very important part of what I do nowadays.
Yeah, I was going to say, the last 20 years, obviously a lot's changed. You were driving then, you're talking about it now. You seem very at home doing that. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, I am. And again, it's just a nice atmosphere. I think that's always been important when you're driving, but also when you're doing something else, you're doing now the TV stuff. It's just a very enjoyable group of people that we've got. It's very young as well, and that sort of makes it more enjoyable as well. The creativity that the guys have is really, really top-notch stuff, and it's nice to be a part of that. It's great to be working with Dana. Now we're off track, and it's brilliant. We have a great relationship.